So now discuss the example. Distribution of electron in octahedral complex. Two different iron complex have three. Given for the textbook. Okay, iron 3 complex. Okay, so FeH2O6 3 plus complex number 1, number 2 FeCN6 3 minus. Both are iron is present. The oxidation state for iron is Fe3 plus, that means a plus 3. So plus 3 means contain D5. So you get for the Fe3 plus means D5 system. So number of d electron present is 5 for Fe3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Both are Fe3 plus state. Both are Fe3 plus state. Now here H2O aqua, this is a weak filled complex. That means here aqua means weak ligand. Here cyanido is a strong ligand. So it is a strong filled complex. It is weak filled complex. You know the strong filled complex. It is a aqua complex delta naught less than P. That means pairing energy very high compared to the delta naught. So it is a weak filled complex. Electron do not pair in d orbital. But in a strong filled complex, it is a cyanido complex. It's a delta naught greater than P. That means crystal splitting energy is very high. So the ligand is a strong ligand. So d electron is a pair. Okay, and then also they given the spectral data. Delta O equal to for weak filled complex 14,000 centimeter inverse. Also cyanido complex strong ligand means 35,000 centimeter inverse. Okay, it is a delta naught for the weak ligand. It is a delta naught for the strong ligand. And then also both ligands, that means both complex, the pairing energy also given. The pairing energy also given. Both Fe3 plus complex. It is a 13,000 centimeter 30 centimeter inverse. 30,000 centimeter inverse. So you compare delta naught and pairing energy P. So it is a high energy, it is a low energy. Okay, so that means delta naught greater than P. Here 14,000. It is octahedral. It is a 14,000 centimeter inverse. Here 30 centimeter inverse. So high pairing energy. But here this octahedral is given the value 35,000 inverse. Also here 13,000 inverse. So centimeter inverse. So you know about already. So delta naught less than P. This electron do not pair. This is a weak filled complex. Delta naught greater than P. This is a strong filled complex. So d electrons are paired. Following this concept, we have the find out for it is a low spin complex or high spin complex. Okay. And then also another one data. It is a more important. You know about for this and discuss about for this complex. CFSC crystal field stabilization energy value is a negative value. Low spin complex favor. Most favorable low spin complex. Negative value. Suppose crystal field splitting energy is positive. High spin complex is favored. This is more important some trick also. Okay, so these are given the some data. Okay, now we have discussed about for the complex. I can write. Okay, 14,000, 35,000, 30,000 also. $14,000 centimeter inverse. Also here 35,000 centimeter inverse. Pairing energy 30,000 centimeter inverse. It is a H2O complex. It is also single. Okay, I take the some data. Okay. Now discuss the first example. FeH2O6 3 plus Here Fe3 plus contains 3d5 system. So d electrons contain the 5d electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5d electron is present. Now we know the calculating crystal field stabilization energy formula. Crystal field stabilization energy equal to minus 0.4 into n into T2G plus 0.6 into n into Eg. Also delta naught plus NP pairing energy plus N dash P pairing energy. You know it is a T2G, number of electron present in T2G orbital, also number of electron present in Eg orbital. So pairing energy of the ligand field orbitals, also pairing energy for the metal, that means isotropic field orbitals. Here N dash P equal to 0. N dash P equal to 0 because no pairing energy for d electrons. So 0 you can take for the 0. Okay. So finally the formula crystal field stabilization energy equal to minus 0.4 into N T2G plus 0.6 into N Eg, also delta naught plus pairing energy. Using for this formula. Okay, so it is a weak field complex. You know, CFC value negative low spin complex, and positive it is a high spin complex. You know above. Negative, I can write negative low spin is a positive high spin. Crystal field stabilization energy is also you can set it also. Okay. This is a formula. Okay, this is a electronic configuration also. So electronic configuration of Fe3 plus equal to for first take for the Fe3 plus electronic configuration equal to, it is called a weak ligand, so do not pair the electron. So you get for the T2G3 Eg2. So that means, okay, so here 5d electron is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 split into 2 energy level. Okay, it is also T2G, it is also Eg. So T2G 3 electron 1, 2, 3, also 4 and 5. It's a 3 electron is a present. It is called high spin complex. Exam high spin complex. Okay, so now calculating crystal field stabilization energy equal minus 0.4 into number of electron in T2G orbital level 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 0.6 into number of electron in Eg level 2, okay, plus delta naught pairing energy 0. So here minus 1.2 plus 1.2 delta naught. So here also 0. So crystal field stabilization energy for high spin complex equal to 0. High spin complex. Okay. Now similar Fe H2O 6 3 plus low spin. Suppose low spin is a favor or not, we can call it. So low spin means electrons are paired. So the electronic configuration of ligand field equal to T2G 5 Eg 0, because low spin means electrons are paired. Okay, now check it. That's all only. Okay, so we get the D5 system. 1 2 3 4 5 1 and 3 is a plus. It is a T2G, it is also EG. So 1 2 3 4 5. That means it is a high spin complex, it is a low spin complex. Now take on it, that means check it. Okay, so the electronic configuration you know, T2G and then EG5. So crystal field stabilization energy equal minus 0.4 into number of electron in T2G level, 5 electrons are present. So 5 plus 0.6 into number of electron in EG level, 0, and then octahedral complex plus number of electron pairing in Ligand field 2, 1 and 2. This is 2 pair is present. This is also 0. That's all. So you can calculate minus 2.0 delta naught plus 2 into pairing energy, crystal field stabilization energy. Okay, you know FeHe2O6 complex, the delta naught values are given 14,000 centimeter inverse, and then also pairing energy 30,000. I have applied. So minus 2.0 into here also 14,000 centimeter inverse plus 2 into 30,000 centimeter inverse. So minus 28 centimeter inverse. So I get the value 32,000 centimeter inverse for crystal field stabilization energy. For the FeHe2O6 for the low spin complex. But you know, crystal field stabilization energy value is a positive, is a exhibit for the high spin complex. Is a high positive crystal field value. Low spin complex is not favorable, only favorable for the high spin complex. Very easy, very simple. CFC value high positive. High positive means high spin complex. So this FeHe2O6 act only the high spin complex, not for the low spin complex. You know the data. Okay. So finally, point number 1, FeHe2O6 3 plus. So exhibit high spin complex. Point number 2, electronic configuration T2G 3Eg2. Point number 3, it is a magnetic property. That means paramagnetic. So because of presence of the unpaired electrons. And then 4th, spin only, spin value mu s. So mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 bm. You know the spin value 5. So 5 into 5 plus 2 into bm, like that. 35 bm, 5.90 bm, the mu s value. So it is the final compute for the FeHe2O6 3 plus complex. It is a high spin complex, electronic configuration T2G3, EG2, magnetic properties of paramagnetic. It is also spin value 5.90. Okay. So next example discuss. FeHe2O, FeCN6 is a 3 minus. Here Fe3 plus act as a D5 system. Okay, D5 system. I take low spin complex and a high spin complex. First I take high spin complex. High spin complex. And then also you know the electronic configuration also you know. So electronic configuration. Okay, high spin complex. So crystal field stabilization energy value minus 0.4 into number of Nt2G plus 0.6 into E number of electron Eg octahedral plus Np pairing energy also, and then also isotropic field energy of the N dash P equal to 0. This isotropic field equal to 0 because all 5d electrons not pair 1 2 3 4 5. So N dash P, that means energy of isotropic field N dash P equal to 0. So I take the state the formula. Okay. Now high spin complex. High spin complex means what? Electrons do not pair. So electrons do not pair. High spin complex. So I get for this 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So we get a 2 energy level. Here 3. Here also 2 is a present. T2G Eg also present. So 1 2 3 4 5. So high spin means electron do not pair. Okay. So crystal field stabilization energy value equal to minus 0.4 into N2G equal to 3 plus 0.6 into 2 delta naught plus pairing energy 0. So crystal minus 1.2 plus 1.2 delta naught. So final value 0. So crystal field stabilization energy final value equal to 0. Okay. Now I take low spin complex for low spin complex for FeCN6 3 minus low spin complex. So low spin means electrons paired. D electrons are paired is possible. So I can take the value for the D5 system. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 energy split. 1 and 2 here also 2. So it is a T2G, T is also Eg. So 1 2 3 4 5 electrons are paired. So crystal field stabilization energy equal to minus 0.4 into number of d electron T2G level 5 plus 0.6 into Eg electron 0 plus pairing energy 2 1 and 2 pair. This is a 1 1. So 2 pairing energy is a pairing energy. So 2 into paired electrons. 2 into pair. So okay. So you get the value minus 0.4 into minus 2.0 plus 0 into here delta naught. So delta naught plus 2 into P. So crystal field stabilization energy equal to minus 2 delta naught into 2 into P. 2 delta naught into 2 into P. Okay. So in cyanido complex, okay, the delta naught value 35,000 given the textbook. Okay. So minus 2 into 35,000 into it's a plus 2 into pairing energy 30,000 centimeter inverse. So minus centimeter inwards. Final value minus 10,000. Crystal field stabilization energy value for the 10,000. So the high spin complex for FeCN6 crystal field stabilization energy value 0, and the low spin complex and then crystal field stabilization energy negative value at 10,000 centimeter inverse. You know CFC value, negative value is a form, low spin complex a favor. So most of the cases negative crystal field stabilization energy, the low spin complex is favored, not for the high spin complex. So FeCN6 it is a low spin complex. Okay, so low spin means a spin pair. So final result discussion. FeCN6 low spin, so spin pair, electronic configuration P2G 5EG0, and then ligands, strong ligands. Ligands also strong ligands. Also magnetic property. Magnetic property. It is called a diamagnetic. It is a paramagnetic. It is a paramagnetic because it's the presence of one unpaired electron. So it is a paramagnetic nature. So number of unpaired electron equal to 1. Also another property. So spin value mu(s). So mu(s) equal to square root of n into n plus 2 into bm. Number of unpaired electron equal to 1. 1 into 1 plus 2 equal to bm equal to root 3. So mu(s) value, that means 1.73 bm is for the FeCN6 3- complex. Okay, that's all. Thank you, student.